Russia has unleashed a coordinated wave of drone and artillery strikes across multiple fronts, targeting Ukrainian positions from Belgorod to Zaporozhye, in what appears to be a calculated effort to prepare the battlefield before a possible ground push. Footage released by the Russian Defense Ministry shows FPV drones striking armored vehicles, mortar teams, communication systems, and temporary deployment points along the Belgorod direction. In Zaporozhye, operators from the Vostok drone unit carried out precision strikes on Ukrainian strongholds and concealed positions. Reconnaissance drones first detected activity inside forest belts and identified a munitions depot. What followed was a sequence of targeted drone hits that demolished fortifications and eliminated personnel, clearing pathways for advancing assault groups. The same sector saw tight coordination between UAV units and artillery batteries. After drone surveillance exposed hidden trench networks, Russian artillery units deployed 120 Mi D-30 howitzers. High explosive fragmentation shells penetrated bunker roofs and destroyed defensive positions, effectively stripping Ukrainian troops of cover and weakening resistance ahead of any ground advance. In Konstantinovka, a separate operation led by the FSB's Gorinik unit, along with Russian military forces, focused on eliminating Ukrainian drone operators. A command post used to coordinate UAV attacks was identified and destroyed, along with multiple relay systems. The strike targeted the nerve center of Ukrainian drone activity in the area. Further south in the Kherson region, FPV drone units from the Dnieper grouping struck a Ukrainian UAV control center and a temporary deployment point on the right bank of the Dnieper River. Despite electronic warfare resistance, Russian operators successfully hit both targets, disrupting drone coordination and personnel presence in the rear zone. In the Donetsk People's Republic, near the settlement of Grishino, Russian drone units carried out a large-scale overnight strike on fortified Ukrainian positions. Bunkers hidden in forested terrain were identified and targeted, allowing Russian assault troops to advance at first light, with reduced risk and minimal resistance. Near Poltava, Russian drone specialists used Geran UAVs to eliminate a mobile Ukrainian fire support group. The strike reportedly destroyed key artillery assets, significantly impacting Ukraine's ability to deliver firepower in that sector and weakening defensive capabilities. On the Kramatorsk-Drushkovka axis, UAV operators from the Burevestnik regiment identified and destroyed launch sites used for Ukrainian strike and reconnaissance drones. By targeting these forward drone positions, Russian forces aimed to limit Ukraine's aerial surveillance and attack capability near the front line. In the skies over Zaporozhye, drone-on-drone combat also intensified. Novorossiysk paratroopers intercepted and destroyed multiple Ukrainian heavy UAVs mid-air using FPV interceptors and aerial strike tactics. These engagements highlight an ongoing battle for low-altitude air dominance over the battlefield. In another major strike in Zaporozhye, Russian UAV operators targeted and destroyed Ukrainian artillery systems, including Grad rocket launchers and a British-made self-propelled howitzer. The precision hits triggered large explosions, reducing incoming fire pressure and enabling Russian assault units to push forward in the sector.